Let's go over the short that we took on the Nasdaq today for the PM session. This is for July 6th using quarterly theory concepts. So let's get into it. So starting on the 15-minute chart, we're looking at the daily cycle between the third quarter and the fourth quarter for PM session. You can see we do have a sequential SMT right here. So this is the daily cycle sequential SMT between the Nasdaq and YM. You see how ES and the Nasdaq both took the highs and YM did not. Also, starting from Asian session, you can see here how price had been moving today. Basically, for the morning, it just kept going up. So you see, especially from the true day open, you see how we're above. So it started going up, and then we have the sequential SMT between the third quarter and the fourth quarter for PM session basically. Also for our higher time frame POI, it ended up taking Asian session high is why we entered there. So nothing really on the 90-minute cycle, but when we go to the microcycle, we're going to see sequential SMT between the fourth quarter and the first quarter going into the PM session. So right when the PM session starts that fourth quarter before and then the first quarter, we have a higher high on the Nasdaq and a lower high on YM. So we have a microcycle sequential SMT. Now I ended up using the order block on the 5-minute. I liked the 3-minute more, but when I was watching this a little bit late, I noticed the order block on the 5-minute, so that's the one that I utilized. As soon as it got created, I entered on the next candle. And my target was just the low of the fourth quarter of the 90-minute cycle. I didn't expect a huge move, so that's the low-hanging fruit that I chose there. So on the 3-minute, you could have also used this order block. It would have basically been the exact same entry. So whichever one that you'd want to use, you could have used there. So my normal entry would have still been correct for there. So that's it. Thanks for watching.